Hi everyone, we're jumping on for Friday night's DIY. We're doing a holiday spirit foaming hand soap and we're going to show you how simple and easy it is. This is my helper Sierra. She does a lot of DIYs with me here at home, whether it's making new dish soap or doing some Epsom salts or what else do you make? I don't know, roller bottles, sometimes she fills samples.
Spray thing.
Sprays, room sprays. So my kids are used to doing this sort of thing. This is the life we've transitioned to over the last several years. So yes, we're gonna do a holiday spirit foaming hand soap. We all know everyone needs foaming hand soap right now. The easiest solution is always just to purchase the doTERRA one. But if you can't get your hands on this because it is a hot item, sometimes it's not on the LRP anymore, we're gonna show you the easy version on how to make it. So one of the critical pieces is actually the foamer. If you don't have a foamer, it's not going to foam. So the recipe calls for Castile soap, your oils, some water, and I've added a little gem in there, a trick I learned from a friend with Yarrow Palm or the Yarrow Palm serum. It's obviously an add-on, an addition, not a necessity. So I've already put 3 tablespoons of the Castile soap in here, so I'm gonna do one more. For this, I'm gonna use Dr. Bronner's. It's a Castile soap that I find helpful, valuable, cost-effective. I've gotten this one off of Amazon way back when Costco had it, and that was amazing, but they only had it once. So I'll put the 4th tablespoon in here. So you're doing 4 tablespoons, pretty good, eh? This is why I did the 3 before. 4 tablespoons of Castile soap. And this soap has so many uses. You can use it for a ton of things. Shampoo, dog wash, cleaners around your home. It's a good option. Okay, and now Sierra's gonna add the oils for me. So she's gonna I'm gonna modify the recipe a little bit. She's gonna do 15 drops of OnGuard, 5 of wild orange, and 5 of Siberian Fir. And we really want to be making sure we're adding OnGuard to any of our our foaming hand soaps through this season. That's 15 already?
Yeah.
Woo! That one comes out fast, folks. Because we know it's gonna help support our immune system. We know it's very effective at fighting things off. So it's an excellent oil to add in there. You could substitute with something else. I don't know that you wanna wash your hands with oregano, but we like
It's all out.
It's out! My Siberian Fir's out. Oh, okay. Well, we will sub that in after I go get some more later. And then wild orange. So what I'm gonna add to this is Yarrow Palm serum, a couple of pumps, because with the number of times a day we're washing our hands, it can be drying, especially in the winter. You could use the Yarrow Palm oil. This obviously is more condensed, more potent, but it's also a higher cost. So I like the serum. You can use either one. Whatever you have, really.
How many pumps?
Let's just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, okay? And then you can modify the recipe. Because this stuff, we're giving you the recipe, but it's not rocket science. You can play with the recipes. And then fill the rest with water. I'm off the screen doing that. And voila. So you'll just screw the lid back on. If you don't have one of these inexpensive ones from your doTERRA back office, just get a regular foamer or, there we go. See, Papa? Let's smell it. Or in the beginning, what I would do is just go grab a foaming hand soap at the dollar store and dump it out, since I wasn't going to use those chemicals on my hands. But ideally, these are like $2.50, and they last quite a long time. So back to the recipe. 4 tablespoons of Castile soap, so that's concentrated natural soap. 15 drops of OnGuard, 5 of wild orange, and 5 of Siberian Fir. But you can play with the recipe. If you got holiday peace and you want that, add that in. If you have holiday joy, if you want a different combination, if you are using this recipe in the spring because you're a gardener, maybe you're using a different oil, or maybe you want other antibacterial oils in there. You could use tea tree. So there's tons of combinations. It really is that simple. If you want to go even simpler, go with the OnGuard foaming hand soap, but this is nice because you can add your own aroma to it. I usually, when I'm using this version, I don't actually fill the entire bottle with this in its concentrated formula. I'm about halfway, and then I add water, and then I'll add a few more drops of OnGuard oil blend. So that's our holiday spirit foaming hand soap. We have these in every bathroom, right?
Yes.
Yeah.